Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, Here's Why You Don't Fight in Front of Police by Police Release.
Yo, you guys got beef with each other?
Nah, this is my ex-girlfriend. No, I'm not her ex-girlfriend.
All right, go back in the car. I'll talk to her first.
Man, that's crazy. You don't want to claim your ex-girlfriend.
I
just want to get my stuff.
All right, I'll work with you, all right? Just hang out. What's going on? With a calm manner. We're not going to be screaming in front of the kids. Okay, what's happening?
Okay, so woke up this morning.
Okay.
You got in your feelings. You had to took my car.
Okay.
I had to call the police. I told her that she had to took my car or whatever like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You had to drove off. You came back. When I called the police, you came back. And now I just want you to go. I don't know why you be having people pull up in front of my house anyway. Really, to be honest.
Okay.
You tripping?
Who's she to you?
Huh?
Who's she to you?
Ex-girlfriend.
All right. Who's the vehicle registered to?
Monica, my mama.
Your mama? Okay. So she came into the house or your apartment, you let her in?
Okay, little moose knuckle. That thing banging right there.
No, she was...
She used to live here?
Yeah, not live here, but, spend the night and stuff, so... Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what do you want?
So she used to make whole bags. Okay.
From her?
I just want her to go. Yeah, just to go.
Okay. Can you just hang out for me then?
Yeah.
All right. So, what did you come and take the vehicle?
No, I never stole the car.
Okay.
She willingly always let me hold the car. If you tell her to let you, listen, sir. If you they gonna lie for her, they gonna lie for her. Listen, if you let
so you want her to go, right? You just want her gone? If you just want her gone, let me try to get her gone.
No,
right.
no, okay, I'm gonna leave. I don't have no problem with leaving. If you just hear what I'm saying, If you open up that door right there, if you look upstairs, all my bags and clothes right there. If I can get my clothes, I'll never come back ever again.
Does she have clothes and stuff that she can grab so she'll never come back again?
Right.
All right, let's go. Let's go grab her. And then she'll be gone. There we go. There we go. Perfect.
Look at that. Getting shit done.
You can't arrest her for breaking my phone?
No.
Hell no.
Let her grab her
Whoa, baby. You might want to calm down.
stuff. If you want to go back in your room, go
What
back.
happened?
You have the keys? If you want
What
to go.
happened?
Let her go.
Man,
Let her
girl,
go.
shut up.
Let her go.
Man, listen up. You don't.
Oh, no, not in front of the cops. That's crazy when you make your children endure this shit. He trying to hold you back. Come on now, baby.
All right, so you're going to grab the stuff and you're just going to go. So, here.
This cop is being very understanding.
Guys, if you don't want her here, let her go. There's no need to scream at her right now. Let her go.
I'm talking about the other one who talking.
All right. Well, she's not banned from here. Just go back up into your room.
She got more bags.
All right. I'll hold the door open.
Okay.
Go to your room. I got you. Is your car locked?
Yeah.
She scared me, shit.
All right.
You know how gangster you gotta be? Oh, look, she got a tattoo on the side of her face. That's why. Never mind. But anyway, like I was saying, do you know how gangster you gotta be to still be body in front of the police?
You got the key to the lock.
I turn into a real boy when I see the police, but hey, I ain't lying to you. I'm chilling. I'm out the way, you hear me? Whatever I was just feeling, I can't feel it no more. I ain't trying to go to jail.
Yes.
Can I get the stuff that she got in the house?
Nope, you got to go to court for that.
That's crazy.
You got to take her to court for that. It is what it is.
Yeah, she
You know
got
it
it.
is?
Yeah, she got it.
Whatever, trust me. Where's the rest of your stuff?
It's right there on the wall upstairs.
All right. I mean,
Look, she threw my stuff in the house. Look, she threw my stuff. I don't let her stuff, but she put my stuff in the house.
let her take this.
That's what good mouth do when that mouth is mouthing and she look like she wear her strap, you know what I'm saying, and out in public, you know, that look, it be driving them girls crazy. I'm trying to tell you. They at the top floor too. That's a lot of moving.
We got a lot of stuff here because they're not even living here.
I do live here. You asked me, I'm staying all year. Come on, bro. See, she ain't be selling my shoes off to like she.
I mean, are those her kids?
You know how many are her kids?
Well, whoever they are, she's obviously gonna.
Hold on, what she said? Wait. I did not catch that.
See, she ain't be selling my shoes off to like she.
I mean, are those her kids?
You know how many are her kids?
Well, whoever they are, she's.
She messy. I love lesbian drama.
Preacher side of the story.
Facts. Oh, I hate an Indian giver. Oh, that's gonna piss me off. Don't you buy me something and then take it back when you get mad. We not doing that. You got to come get that back in blood.
Let's just get this stuff and be done.
I swear I be wrong, but I ain't be wrong. You good? I'm gonna let you know kids have a good day. But this ain't over with, man.
It's over with, alright.
Yeah, alright.
So you pull up back to my house.
Warrants out, because we ain't taking misdemeanors. Can you just shut the door and let her do her thing?
Yeah, like she bothering me.
I'm not bothering you. I'm waiting till you get all this stuff.
Nothing's
come downstairs.
okay, nothing's gonna happen with me standing right here, so just let her do this, and faster we get this out of here, faster she's gone, and
No, I ain't gonna say nothing.
alright, thank you. That's one way to do it.
Yeah, easy. She got that trash.
No, you can take these shoes off.
She's some trash.
Come on, there you go. It's not wrong, bro.
She childish.
Alright, thanks, trash.
Yeah.
Your mom.
You know that the manager.
Freak out, blood behind mom.
You can't call nobody a freak out.
Your motherfucker freaked out.
Oh. We got to stop talking about mamas. It's already a volatile situation.
How fresh is the breakup? I'm assuming pretty fresh.
They just broke up 2 hours ago.
You went through my phone like.
Oh, she caught you sneak digging. God dang it.
That's why you mad, because you went through my phone. That's all.
Car was taken. She was on scene. Girlfriends, they broke up this morning. She's driving
We
herself.
woke up like 30 minutes before you called.
Damn.
All right.
I ain't gonna lie, them girl on girl relationships do be happening real fast and they end real fast. That's one thing I can say.
Well, it's hot then. Cheated to 27. Girlfriend. So since I'm here, I'm gonna need to identify you. I'm gonna need to identify you. Do you have a driver's license or any sort of ID?
I can give my
on
first
you?
name and last name.
That's
but
fine. That's
my
her.
ID right
Thank you, ma'am. There's no crime that occurred yet, so let's keep it that way. Okay? Screaming and acting crazy like this doesn't get you anything but kicked out of your apartment complex. That's it. But it's not against the law.
So
Why are you back down here?
You really could go ahead, dog. Like, dead ass serious.
She want all the smoke.
Ma'am.
Man, you don't want this person. You don't want this beef whatsoever.
Yeah.
Man, I will talk you on your head, girl. Stop.
Damn.
Stop playing. I will talk
Hey,
you on your head, girl.
stop.
Oh, she got out the car?
You think
All right,
you is
listen.
now?
Oh. Oh.
Stop fighting now. Savannah police, stop fighting.
That must be her best friend. Oh. Bink.
Come on, grab her. Grab her.
Jesus
Grab
Christ.
the other one.
And this is what you do when you want to get arrested by the cops. This is for educational purposes.
Go. That way. Get on
Yeah, she whooped your shit. Yeah.
the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground!
On the kitty litter.
Sit on the ground. Yeah, I told y'all to stop fighting. You want to listen? Stand right here.
I don't understand why people be doing this type of shit in front of their kids. Like, come on, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna sting for a little bit, but
Let it burn, let it burn. You gotta let it burn.
yeah. You guys can't be fighting in front of us.
City girls down 1,000.
What you get out of the car and fighting for it? You guys are just about to leave.
Hold on. Hey, listen, but what's on her, I don't want it to get on you, okay? No.
He lied. He just tried to be nice to little man. Her ass going to jail.
Just, yep, stand over there, because you're going to keep getting infected. Man, buddy, listen. Go over there, because it's going to keep hurting you. Go over there. Stop calling him over here, because you're going to get him infected.
Boy, this lady ain't
What you getting out of the car fighting for? Come on, that's stupid.
that was dumb as hell. ain't your damn sister.
Is that worth it? Getting pepper sprayed?
Sit down. Buddy,
She needs some milk.
stand over there. Stand over there because you're going to keep smelling it.
Search her.
And you can tell this ain't his first rodeo, because how the hell he know to bring some milk and a pepper spray?
Oh, that's
Wait, no. Use gloves. Pepper spray all over.
what? Thanks.
All right, Officer Gomez is here. She's a female
Oh,
officer.
okay.
She's
Can
gonna-
we go back under the thing, please?
Nope, we gotta go in the cars.
You should have stayed in the car. You wouldn't have to do that.
There. That turned from nothing to something for no reason.
Dumb as hell.
Can you step out real quick?
Yeah.
Can I go up here? I can't stay right here by the sun. I'm telling you, I feel like I'm about to faint.
To search you, okay?
I feel like I'm about to faint. Oh my God.
Go in the car.
I need this on my eye, please. I feel like I'm about to faint. I'm about to pass out. I'm telling y'all. I feel like I'm about to faint.
So, all of us have been pepper sprayed. We have to be pepper sprayed to come police.
No, I'm telling you, that's a different.
She don't give a fuck about that. She don't care about what y'all had to do. Y'all chose to do this. She got pepper spray against her will.
I feel like I'm about to faint. See what I
But like Usher said, you gotta let it burn.
pass out. Oh my God. I'm telling you, I feel like I'm about to faint. I'm about to pass out.
We have an ambulance.
Oh my God.
Stick your foot in the door.
Oh shit.
Hey, that pepper spray whoop her ass more than the goddamn fight itself.
You were the one who got out of the car.
Cause I just tired of
You know what? You guys were just about to leave. There's no need for you to do that.
right.
None. And now you got pepper spray, and now we got to take you over to the hospital, and then we're just going to end up releasing you with some paperwork. Was that worth it? Hell no. Not worth it. Hello. I'm Officer Marshall. I wish it didn't come to this, but here we are.
And this is crazy because baby girl over here sneak D'ing, you know, sneak. Well, how can I say it without getting it flagged? She over here, it rhymes with sneak picking. You know what I'm saying? But they carry it in their pants like they men. You know what I'm saying?
I'm going to need to stay back for me.
Tell me
Stay back. Stay over there for now. I'm talking because I'm speaking to her. Step back over there. So we didn't get to this part earlier because you decided you guys were going to have a WWE match. But they're going to flush your eyes when EMS gets here. We'll let you go first.
A WWE match is crazy.
Vehicle for the WWE match. Then we're going to get you over to Memorial, okay? And I'll explain to you a little bit more after that, okay? Or before that, before we get you over there. So just for now, just hang tight, and I'm going to sort some things out.
So she ain't getting arrested.
All right. You come over here and let me talk to you.
Hold on. I just started that shit, bro. Like,
Between you two, right?
okay, but she was coming to get me.
All right. So that's your sister, right?
Yeah, that's my god sister.
All right. I was here for a stolen vehicle, which turned into you grabbing all of your stuff and leaving.
Yeah.
At the time, she said you didn't live here, right?
Yeah.
Off and on, there's qualifications that make it domestic,
Right.
okay? Now, regardless of the fact, there was no there was no crime that occurred while I was here.
Right.
You were grabbing your stuff, you were leaving. Is that right?
Yeah, I was cooperating.
Until she decided to come back down, and she decided to get out of the vehicle because they had some words while we were outside, and then WWE over there.
But I
okay?
didn't see that. I didn't see
Right in front of us. And this is just, thankfully you didn't get involved, because if you got involved between her, I got to still figure out if it's going to be a domestic. She's saying no, you're saying no, but you have clothes here, but you also stayed here on and off for a
On and
year.
off, yeah, I mean.
So it's still not domestic, right? So, a fray, two people fighting.
Yeah.
Okay, all that is if I felt like pressing charges,
Yeah.
or if I felt like charging, I should say, both of these individuals, that's all it'd be.
Right.
And y'all would be on your way.
Right.
And you get some paperwork. Or I can do simple battery, whatever that is, whatever that may be, but it's still no domestic between these two.
No.
And we're not taking misdemeanor charges. So right now, all this mess is, for
Yes,
no
no
reason that
reason, yeah.
occurred, is we're gonna have to take them to, both of them to Memorial,
Yeah.
and then drop them back off at their respective places.
Yeah.
And that's where we're at.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shout out to these cops because they could have made these girls' lives so much better. But this is Savannah, Georgia, if I'm correct, and it is ghetto as hell over there.
Unnecessary, yes. Thank you for staying out of it. I know it's a sticky situation.
Yeah, I mean, that's my sister.
It's your sister and your ex-girlfriend.
Yeah, I would've
It is what it is.
That's
So,
not even my ex-girlfriend. Like.
whatever it is. Girlfriend,
We only been
ex-girlfriend.
broke up for 2 minutes, literally. Like, that's not even
You about to go bail out and be like, I'm sorry, babe.
a real
I
breakup.
know how that is.
Yeah, like,
It happens. I got pepper spray in my mouth too.
you ran my name?
Yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah, I told you were good.
So I got the kids up there. They grandma about to come get them. So they
Perfect.
good. And
All
I
right,
got him right there.
Is that your
I don't
nephew?
Have, yeah, that's I don't have. Only thing it is, you can like back the car in the pocket space so I can watch him because I don't have license.
Is the AC rolling?
Yeah, the AC roll. Yeah, it's on.
All right. 41 was never a 41. She never took the vehicle.
Okay.
They broke up this morning.
Okay.
She's on and off here. Girlfriend.
Okay.
I roll up on scene. I see a female over there screaming, and I have no clue who that vehicle is, so I park. See where I park. Then they get out of the vehicle. So it's ex-girlfriend who stays on and off here. Ex-girlfriend's sister in that vehicle with ex-girlfriend's sister's kid.
Okay.
So they're bickering back and forth the whole time. Girl who called, who's in the backseat here, who lives here, who called about the Malibu, which is still there.
Right.
I don't want nothing to deal. This is, at this time, it's still disorderly. I just want her to grab her stuff and go. She started grabbing her stuff, packing it all up. As she.
I think that's it. Let's go. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.